Dolphin1 now in an exercise taking a rescue swimmer to the person in distress. There we see the person in distress. Dolphin1 heading straight to him safely, swiftly and effectively. Slowly approaching the person in distress. The rescue swimmer has not used his energy to get to the person in distress, which is a big advantage, because many a times when you are going to rescue someone, you consume your own energy getting to the person in distress, and that is a major hazard bringing him back. We now have 2 people hanging off Dolphin1, safely coming back without using their own energy. This is a good risk mitigation because your team member doesn't have any other device as such like Dolphin1. So Dolphin1 safely now rescuing 2 people back to safety. This is Dolphin1 from Oceanalpha in Australia today, doing another test on a video on the endurance and the performance of Dolphin1 in terms of emergency. Thank you for watching.